So they're calling for winter weather here where I live. And let me tell you, that doesn't happen often. And I'm super excited about it because I can't wait to get this 4Runner in some serious snow. Normally, where I am, this is what winter weather looks like. Rain. I'm in the south. And in the south, we don't see snow that often. Sometimes we see ice, but as far as snowfall, we don't get very much of it. I really want to get this 4Runner in some significant snow.
Now, to prepare for Snowmageddon 2025, I'm going to show you some items I threw in the 4Runner just to get prepared, which will virtually guarantee there's going to be no snow. Stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to show you a feature that your 4Runner might already have that's great in the winter. Well, it's great in the winter and the summertime. It's remote start, and a lot of people don't even know that they have it or don't know their vehicle's already equipped with it. Stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to show you how to figure out if you have it or not and how to operate it if you do. Let's take a look inside and see what's in here. So one of the things I have in here is a heated vest. This thing is awesome. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I keep this mechanics pad in there, folds out. Super, super nice to have if you ever have to change a tire. But if you have to do it in ice and snow, it's even better because it'll keep you dry. Now, of course, you can see the power inverter. I put it in there just in case somebody watching this video is actually from like Wisconsin or New York or somewhere where you're actually going to see some snow. I'm in the South. I'm not going to need that. Another thing I keep in here is a recovery rope, and that's not for me. That's for all the people that I know I will encounter stuck on the side of the road in any kind of wintry condition here in the South. And in here, I have a snow shovel, a snow brush, an ice scraper, and an extension handle that all goes in here. Here's a snow shovel, and it actually like extends out. Nice blade on the front, and super heavy duty. And there's the ice scraper, and you just take the snow shovel off, you put the ice scraper on. It's also got a snow brush with a head that rotates around, so no matter whatever angle you're at, it's really, and it all fits in that bag. Even if you're not having a snowstorm, if you get ice every once in a while on your windshield, you don't want to get up and crawl all over your vehicle to get on it. It's super nice to have. Now, of course, I have jackets and muck boots and everything else in there. I keep those in there all the time. Another thing that I didn't mention about these, and these aren't muck boots, I just call them muck boots. They're made by a company, but Lacrosse. Either way, waterproof boots. The thing that's nice about these is on the inside, I have heated insoles. They are awesome. Put these in here, you get a little remote control, you can turn them on. Oh my gosh. Warm feet when you need them most. And one other thing I always carry around with me, regardless of snow or not, is this first aid kit. It's really because I train dogs, and you never know, actually you do know, you're going to get bit sooner or later. So yeah, there's this. Tire chains.
Not 2 chains, tire chains. But if you only have 2 of them, put them on your front tires.
Great for all other vehicles that might need them. The 4Runner is never going to need them.
And I promised before the end of this video, I was going to show you how to use that remote start. The way you figure out if you have one is you're going to press your lock button 3 times, and on the 3rd time, you're going to hold it down, and you have to hold it down for quite a while, and I think that's why most people get confused about whether they have it or not. But if you hold it down for quite a while, you'll notice your vehicle will start. Now, if it doesn't, you may have one of the models that's not equipped with it. And in that case, there'll be a link in the description for a remote start that's fairly easy to install. Start it, all you're going to do, hit it once, hit it twice, hit it, hold it. And you're going to notice your lights start to flash. As soon as you put your hand on this, it's going to stop. Obviously, that's so nobody can steal your vehicle. Just as I was making this video and got done showing that remote start, I saw the first couple tiniest flurries of snow. And as it has begun to snow here, another great thing in the wintertime for the 4Runner and any other vehicle really is this windshield cover, because we're expecting a lot of ice. It goes over the mirrors, tucks into the door there, and then it has straps that are elastic that go down and just tuck in right there and hook. So if for any reason it gets real windy, it should not go anywhere and should keep me from having to scrape a lot of ice off the windshield. Hey, and if you made it this far and you like this kind of content, then please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, And of course, I'm going to show you how Snowmageddon 2025 turned out where I live. But before I do, let me tell you, all the links to the products are in the description. And I do earn a little something for the effort if you choose to shop from them. I thank you very much if you do. I appreciate it. Now, here's how Snowmageddon turned out. Well, Snowmageddon 2025 in the South is a big nothing burger. If you listen to the news, they're telling you the roads are one big sheet of ice. Don't go outside. It's going to melt and refreeze tonight, and then it's going to melt again and refreeze the next day, and the roads aren't going to be clear until Tuesday. Let me tell you, roads will be clear by this afternoon, and they're pretty much clear now. Lies. All lies. I'm so disappointed. Everything you see here is basically just wet road. No ice, no snow, nothing on the road other than water, and it will be dry within a couple hours. As soon as the sun comes out, it's going to dry off. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. And look, there's a lot of winter left, so maybe I'll get lucky. Who knows?